Hey there everybody, I'm back with yet another toy car review. This one is a gem that I found at a local flea market. I believe I paid 15, they had it marked for 20, I talked them down. It's a special edition Honda S2000 118 scale. It's the silver with the red interior, which I really like. Show you the box, and we're going to open it up. On the side says Honda S2K. Back side S2000. Same thing, S2000. It's really detailed. Looks good. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Try not to damage the box. I'll probably end up putting it back in. So there's the gold plating. The inside of that side. Put it around, let's see. Gold plate on that side also. There's the back side. Let's see if we can get it out of here. The box is a little damaged. I'm not quite sure how old this is, but not a bad find for $15. And there it is. Has a little display case. It's got plastic on both sides. Probably just to protect it while it's in the box. Looks like they are removable. It's screwed in into the bottom. Get a closer look of it. It's that awesome silver. Doors do open. Got it taped. The hood, I believe, opens. Yep, the hood opens also. See if you can get inside there. See if I can keep this off. Looks like it's stuck on there. I might have to use a screwdriver. I don't want to break it. Hood does open. It does look like the F22C's in there. It says dual overhead cam VTEC. Let's see if you can get somewhat of an idea. License plate on the front says Honda S2000. It's got that aggressive profile. I love the S2000. See if the trunk opens. Oh, the trunk slightly opens. I don't believe there's anything in there. It doesn't look like it. Oh, the trunk's taped also. Yeah, it's got a little tiny antenna. There's that red interior. Steering wheel slightly moves. Turns the wheels. Look at that. That's cool. I wasn't expecting all that detail. So it does have a rack of pinion. The e-brake is pulled. It's 5-speed. It's very detailed. You can see the push button start in there and everything. Again, go around the car view. Very detailed, very impressed. It does have the Honda S2K in gold in the front. I keep referring to S2K because it's a habit ever since the first Fast and the Furious. It's dual exhaust. The back license plate says S2000. Gorgeous car. I wouldn't mind having one of these, but you know, kids happen. So, but that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.